Just that one word can change your impression. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 4. Love Chat. Did they reply yesterday? Not in the end. I am really curious. I get that. Have you been talking a lot lately? A little every day. That sounds promising. I hope so. How was the date? It was really fun. Were you nervous? Only at first. Is that person nice? Very kind. Where did you meet? At work. Have you seen each other lately? Not at all. Are they busy? Seems really busy. Did you call last night? We talked for a bit. Glad you heard their voice. I felt relieved. Did they compliment your outfit? They said it looked cute. That is nice. I am really happy. Do you still like them? I think so. Can't you move on? Not yet. When are you meeting again? Probably next week. You must be excited. I really am. Are you jealous? Just a little. What happened? They were talking to someone else. Are you planning to confess? I am still thinking. Timing matters. Totally. They seem popular. Very popular. Doesn't that worry you? A little bit. Things seem good lately. More natural now. Have you gotten closer? Maybe a little. What did you talk about yesterday? Mostly movies. You have similar interests. Very much. Did you hold hands? Not yet. But the vibe was nice. That matters a lot. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.